Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my Dream View channel. Now I'm going to tell you about Panasonic 584 liters frost-free side-by-side refrigerator. First, we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 584 liters, good for large families. Compressor type, reciprocatory compressor, which is standard type of compressor with easy maintenance. Defrosting type, frost-free auto fridge defrost to stop ice buildup. Specifications. Generally in the box we get refrigerator, user manual and warranty card. Type side by side. Refrigerator type bottom freezer refrigerator. Defrosting type frost free. Compressor type reciprocatory compressor. Capacity 584 liters. Number of doors 2. Airflow type surround cooling airflow. Number of refrigerator shelves 2. Number of refrigerator door bins 2. Coming to the warranty, 1 year on product and 10 years on compressor from Panasonic. Cost price 53,990 rupees only. To purchase this refrigerator, please find the link in the below description, and to get more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe my Dream View channel. Do like, share and comment below. Thank you. Bye bye.